we are, vlogging in the car. Not as crazy as you think. I'm not moving much. I am waiting in line to get a car wash because winter has really messed this car up. And so, everybody's here. They got the same idea. You can see it panning around. Oh yeah, everybody's getting their car washed. So, come here, get your car washed. Good place. Be pretty quick. So I'm gonna cut this out until I get into the wash, and we'll see you there in a minute. Got some stuff going on back there. Got the washing windows up here. Getting it washed all over the place. Here we go. We are going to get the car washed. We are behind a Toyota Tacoma, who is also getting a car wash. Oh no, I can't see! Danger, danger, danger. Ah, here come the snakes. Snakes in the car. This was always one of my favorite things to do when I was a kid, was to go get a car wash. It's always so much fun to come through here and get a car wash. I don't know why. And now that I have a car that's worth more than a nickel, it's nice to feel like I'm taking care of it by getting it washed. You gotta make sure you tip these kids at the end. Get a nice clean car afterwards. And then the dryer.